I'm an angel. If you
So
stop
let's
me,
start.
I'm
Why
gonna
you
rap.
saying that I'm a liar?
You stop me,
If
I'm
I
gonna
know
rap.
someone a liar unprovoked,
Stop me, I'm gonna rap time.
then rap.
How?
Rap.
I'm rapping. I'm
Rap.
rapping.
Rap.
Siblings, good prank went wrong. Very good prank went so wrong. So Sipesihle and BK decided to execute their prank that they planned on Friday, and they didn't execute because they were so drunk, and they ended up flirting instead of executing a prank. But yet today it wasn't a day for it because Tyrone and Swiss, they didn't take it well. I'll come back to them, but the most person who made me laugh so hard was Nsuku. Nsuku just thought it was a serious fight between Tyrone and Sipesihle, only to find that it's not, and she was so disappointed, very disappointed. And knowing Nate followed Tyrone to the bathroom, and Tyrone just closed the bathroom and closed himself in the bathroom. So Nate, how Nate maneuvers. Nate just decided to go there and to put petrol on fire, because she was like, "No, even if it was me, I was not gonna take it. You cannot do that to Ty." Kante, how a prank is it supposed to be? A prank should be, as serious as a heart attack. That's how a prank it should be. It should get your attention and make you feel somehow. If it's not like that, then it's not a prank. Even me watching, knowing that it's a prank, but I felt sorry for Ty. Oh, finally, Sihle noticed that Ty is not breathing anymore. So she decided to cut it and let him know that it was just a prank. But Tyrone couldn't take it. He ran to the bathroom, locked himself in the bathroom, and Sipesihle went and asked for forgiveness and explained that it was just a prank that was meant to be to get attention of Mushini and Nsuku, but because they were in the kitchen, it was not gonna be. She was not gonna be able to pull it. So Nate wasn't having it. You can see Nate is pissed at BK. And BK was so convincing as well, he was so convincing. But yeah, that's a prank, man. You remember on the Titan season, I'm not sure if it was Titan season or it was season 3 of Mpho Badimo, where Tato, Terry had the banter. They were where Terry, I think it was Terry and Tato, they took a condom, they put a body lotion in it, and they started to fight about it. And Terry was like, "Hey, if you use this, you must throw it away. Don't leave it lying around in the house." And it was so convincing. But Geshwan understood, and everyone in the house, they understood it was just a prank. And yeah, and they understood. But yeah, people are not the same. Tyrone is soft and unlike others. But all we can say is mission accomplished.